Hey guys, welcome to Mind Your Wicket. So today we are going to be taking a look at depression, more specifically at depressive episodes or depressive phases. So this video is not exactly going to be a solution for clinical depression since that requires long-term intervention, but this video will definitely help if you are going through a depressive phase or a sad phase, which is actually a part of normal living. So if you have actually been diagnosed with clinical depression and are on treatment, the information in this video will surely be useful in your daily life. So keep watching this video until the very end. I'm going to be sharing a number of great tips that you can use no matter how intense or severe your depressive episode may be. Perhaps the best exercise that you can use for any type of mental health issue is deep breathing. Okay, so I know that there is a lot of hype around deep breathing, but the technique actually works. Deep breathing works by balancing the O2 and CO2 levels in the blood, and this stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for bringing down your stress and anxiety levels. So you don't exactly have to become a yogi to practice deep breathing. You can simply try becoming more aware of your inhaling and exhaling and trying to slow it down. You can also try watching your belly rise and fall as you breathe as a form of feedback. Another thing that you can do is to keep track of your symptoms. Not everyone's depressive episode is going to be the same, and even if the symptoms may be clinically similar, the way you perceive it and define it may be different. For example, sadness can also be interpreted as unhappiness, frustration, lethargy, fatigue, etc. So whatever you are feeling on a daily basis, write it down in a journal and try to be as descriptive as possible. As you keep track of your feelings every day, you will eventually find that you have more control over your depressive episode. See, this is the most important thing to remember. Your depression or the depressive episode that you are currently in does not define you and should never have to. While you're keeping track of your symptoms, you can also keep track of your self-talk. Depressive episodes can make your self-talk very negative, and this can only suck you deeper into the spiral. For example, you might catch yourself thinking thoughts like, "I am the worst," or "my life really sucks." These statements may seem quite harmless on paper, but in your mind they ring very loud and very clear. As you become more and more aware of the way you think, you can start challenging these thoughts and changing them. Instead of thinking, "I suck at this," you can instead think, "I did my best." Depressive episodes also respond very well to healthy lifestyle changes. So take a look at your life and notice the unhealthy things that you do or the healthy things that you don't do. Like, do you often turn to alcohol to combat stress? Or do you not eat healthy every day? Or do you skip too many of your workouts? So sometimes in a depressive episode, your energy levels may be too low to even make these changes, but you don't have to do them all at once. You can try doing simple and easy things like eating wholesome food instead of processed junk, or taking a stroll in the park instead of vegging on the couch all day. You can also take advantage of support groups when you're going through a depressive episode. If you're introverted like me, you can even try online support groups and peer support platforms. If you have a close set of understanding friends and family, you can also seek their support and guidance at this time. Depressive episodes do come and go, but if you find that you are stuck in one for too long and are not able to get out of it, you need to consult a licensed mental health professional as soon as possible. If you like this video and the tips I have shared, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, stay on top of your mental health and keep working towards your fullest potential.